Let's dive into division. 176 divided by 2. Hey super math stars! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready for our first step? Let's go! We look at the first digit, which is 1. We'll use this lonely one for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write 0. 0 times 2 is 0. We write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome, almost there. Now, let's bring down the next digit, 7, to join our remainder 1. Step 2, here we come. We bring down the 7 next to our remainder 1, making it 17. Wow! How many times does 2 fit into 17? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Write 16 below 17. 17 minus 16 is 1. We've got a remainder of 1. You're a math superstar. Keep that energy up. Last step, let's bring down the final digit, 6. Final step, we're almost done. We bring down the 6 to join our remainder 1, making it 16. Look at that. How many times does 2 fit into 16? We know this one. It's 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Perfect. 16 minus 16 is 0. No remainder this time. You crushed it. High five. And that's it. We've divided 176 by 2. The answer is 88. So, 176 divided by 2 is 88. Great job, everyone! We just tackled 176 divided by 2 using long division. Remember, every step builds on the last, just like building with blocks. Keep practicing, and you'll be division wizards in no time. Woohoo, you did it! That's all for this video. Keep shining, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos right here on Let's Stud.